sea. This way and you're on the shore where the silver boats come and go. You'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. It was a blowy day. I want to go and check Granny's all right. Okay. The radio says the wind's blown some trees down. Isn't this fun? Hello, good drying weather. You all right, Ma? No problems with the wind? Good heavens, no. I'm used to this. I made kites when I was young, when it blew like this. Oh, can we make one? Will you show us how, Granny? Yes, of course I will. Give a bit of room, Ebb. Ebb. Ready? Ready, Granny. It's lovely. Oh, my kite! Oh, my washing! Catch the string! Oof. Oh no! Oh, bird! That was brilliant! Oh, Mom. Never mind. It's going over the other side. Come on, Flo. I think we can get some of it back. Hurry. Be careful. Stay still, everyone. Flo, I'm going to have to row. Oh, dear. I know. The kite. Yeah. Hooray! Flo, yeah. That's wonderful. Look at Bird. Sometimes Ebb didn't understand Bird. Why sit on a tossing boat when you could fly straight home? Whee! Whee! Bedtime. Whee! Ebb's blowy day was over. Night, night, you lot. Night.